Have you ever wondered how a sentence is formed? A sentence has two important parts, a subject and a predicate. But how do we identify them? Let's understand it with a simple example. Look at this sentence. Anjali sings beautifully. First, ask yourself, who or what is the sentence mainly about? It is about Anjali. So, Anjali is the subject because it tells us who or what the sentence is mainly about. Now, what about the rest of the sentence? Sings beautifully. This is the predicate because it tells us what Anjali does. So, remember this simple rule. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells us what the subject does or tells us something about the subject. Let's look at a few more examples. Mark smiles. Mark is the subject, and smiles is the predicate. Mark smiles happily. Mark is the subject, and smiles happily is the predicate. Now look at this. Mark is kind. Here Mark is the subject, and is kind is the predicate. It tells us something about Mark. One more. Mark won the competition. Mark is the subject, and won the competition is the predicate. So what is the main key rule to remember? A sentence becomes complete when it has a subject and a predicate. And once you learn to find these two parts, understanding the structure of a sentence becomes much easier. Thank you for watching.